Hey guys, Norm McGregor on Isles of Hideaway for our island adventure. Alright, I'm in a grid down situation here. How cool is that? But it's also supper time, so I gotta do some cooking. So what am I gonna do? Okay, so we still got power because we're on solar backup, and I'm gonna use my wood stove. I can see him, he's roasting away there, and temperature is at just over 400 degrees. And I'm gonna make some hot dogs tonight. So I got my buns warming, and I got my hot dogs cooking here. Oh my god. Cooking on top of the... There they are. And they're gonna be yummy. Okay guys, so off-grid cooking and a power out. You guys have a great night. Take care.